Welcome to M. Char's Cuisine. Did you know 80% of home cooks can elevate their meals with just a few simple tips? Today, we're turning your salmon game up to 11. Start with a fresh salmon fillet, pat it dry, and season with salt and pepper. Heat a generous knob of butter in your skillet until it's just starting to brown. Now, lay that salmon in, skin side down, and let it sizzle for about 4 minutes. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes until your salmon's got that golden, crispy crust. Next, toss in minced garlic, a splash of lemon juice, and a handful of chopped parsley and dill. Let the sauce bubble, spooning that buttery goodness over the fish. Serve your masterpiece with roasted asparagus and cherry tomatoes, adding a zesty twist with lemon wedges. And there you have it, the perfect butter salmon, right at home. Give it a try and make every meal a celebration. Now, let's see what all that hard work was for. Imagine yourself in a cozy, rustic kitchen where the aroma of our butter salmon fills the air. Picture yourself taking that first bite, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. The flavors of garlic, lemon, and fresh herbs dance on your palate, making each bite a little piece of heaven. As you savor this culinary delight, you can't help but smile, knowing you've just turned a simple meal into a gourmet experience. This is what cooking at home is all about, creating moments of pure joy with every dish. So, light a candle, pour yourself a glass of wine, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you in the next video in the